And I'm pretty much on my own. There's pretty much nobody here. It was fucking perfect. Bike.
But that didn't last long. Pretty soon the rental cars started swarming in from every direction.
And now it's fucking crowded.
It was a total circus. You had music blasting from different groups, wedding photographers, directing couples, and some influencers shivering in tiny dresses for their photoshoot while the rest were packed up in layers of wool and Gore-Tex. Even my motorcycle became also a tourist attraction as Chinese tourists started to take pictures holding its handlebars. So with Cappadocia in my rear mirror, I set my sight on Nemrut Dagi. So the road was incredible. I spent the whole morning just cruising, watching the vast Anatolian landscapes unfold while catching up on some podcasts.
You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that mountain. It rains, you got a lot of nice girls. That might say.
By late morning, the fatigue started to kick in, so I pulled over for a quick tea break. As usual, I was dumping more and more sugar into the glass to keep my energy up. When I went to pay, they wouldn't hear of it. Once again, I was very pissed. Honestly, even though Turkey is a major touristic destination, the people here are just incredibly kind and genuinely curious. As little further down the road, even a police officer pulled me over just to take a picture with me on the back. Maybe it's because I'm driving solo, or maybe it's because of a bike, or the fact that I'm heading into corners of a country where tourists don't often go, but crossing Turkey has been a pure pleasure. I pulled into a roadside truck stop to refuel myself. I really fall in love with Turkish cuisine. It's usually cheap, but it's always so well balanced. You don't just get a piece of meat, it always comes with a spread of fresh salad, yogurt, warm bread and herbs. Balanced, energized, and with my sugar level back at 100%, I climbed back on the bike. And that's exactly when things took a turn for the worse. So over the last few kilometers, the bike has been acting pretty strange. Shifting gears didn't feel right, something was sketchy, but after I left the restaurant it happened.
It doesn't go down anymore. It doesn't do the click.
I was stuck on 5th gear, completely locked. No matter how hard I tried, I couldn't downshift. So my mind immediately went to the worst case scenario, something internal, a broken shift. So while I was on the side of the road trying to diagnose the mess, another biker pulled over. Looking back, I don't really know why I agreed, but he looked like he knew what he was doing. So we spent the next 2 hours working by the light of a headlamp. It was a total nightmare.
You hungry?
Yeah. We all get there.
Kola mı?
No bir yok.
Bira diyor, içelim diyor. Bira mı içelim diyor? Allah Allah. Elhamdülillah.
Teşekkür ederim. Thank you.
Hadi.
Ali.
Just as things were looking the darkest, my new biker friend's father showed up. He took one look at the situation and simply invited me to stay at his house. We managed to get the cover back on, topped it with fresh oil, and we are ready to go to his place. The hospitality was unreal. So these people were absolute angels. They gave me a place to crash, hot shower, even clean clothes to wear for the night, while they cooked me a proper meal.
So after all of this, the guy actually invited me to go to his house. He gave me and took a shower and he even gave me some clothes because everything is dirty. Like in a way I'm lucky and in another way I'm unlucky. And now he just came to give me more clothes. I think he wants me to get a KTM.
After the stress of a breakdown, sitting in a warm house felt like a different world.
Yes. Oh really? It's handmade.
And later that night we even went out to join a group of his friends.
I think he thinks that he supposes that some parts of the engine may be broken. Yeah. I hope you must go to.
Çok uğraştım da hacı düzeltemedim.
He cannot fix, and then he tried.
I think I go back to Australia for a month and then
No. We have a good master, you know, fixer in Antep, yeah, in Antep.
Yetkili servis Antep'te.
Yeah, 200 kilometers to here, Antep. Maybe you can buy a
Parça
maybe
marka.
more powerful motorbike, yeah. Not maybe time.
Çok sağlıklı olmayabilir.
It's not healthy for your engine to go to Antep with this gear, yeah.
I don't have a
Hacı
choice.
You don't have a choice.
ayağı şanzıman sorunu
If you go with this motorbike, yeah, just say maybe the engine motor stop on the road. If you you can do it with me.
Okay.
It's soft. It's soft in your
Okay, nice. But you also have carrots.
Yeah, apples, something nuts, grape, and then bazı şeyler için Kung Fu Master Boy gibi olur diyor. Bankaya git.
Very nice.
Ne zaman gidiyorsun?